Welcome everyone. We have this question based on exponential equations. So we can solve this question using logs also, and we can solve it without using logs also. I am going for the method in which we are not going to use logs, and we will solve this equation based on the basic properties of exponents, log of exponents. So let's see what's the problem. Actually, we have this x raised to the power x into 7 to the power x is equal to 7 to the power 7 to the power 7. Now I'm going to use this trick in which I'll take the power 7 again on both sides. So first I will club these two terms because they have the same power, so I can write 7x to the power x is equal to 7 to the power 7 to the power 7, and now I am going to raise to the power 7 on both sides. So I will write 7x to the power x to the power 7 is equal to 7 to the power 7 to the power 7. One power is this and another power is outside the bracket, which is 7. So both sides I have taken the power 7 raised to the power 7. Okay. So now this thing here becomes 7x to the power 7x, and this side it becomes 7 to the power 7 to the power 7, this power multiplied by this power 7. We can simplify just in a moment when you will see the pattern. Okay, so this becomes 7 to the power 7 into 7 to the power to the 7. Okay, so no doubt in that, because we can write a to the power b to the power c is equal to a to the power c to the power b. Okay, so we have x to the x 7 7x to the power 7x is equal to 7 to the power 7 whole to the power 7 to the 7. This is very easy to see now. If 7x is some quantity a and 7 to the power 7 is some quantity b, then this equation is actually written as a to the power a is equal to b to the power b, which gives you from the laws of exponents that a is equal to b. So this gives you 7x equal to 7 to the power 7, or x is equal to 7 to the power 7 upon 7, which gives you 7 to the power 7 minus 1, which is x 7 to the power 6. So the solution that we are getting is x is equal to 7 to the power 6. Now we need to verify whether this is the only solution that we are getting or there are more solutions to it. Okay, so we need to see our equation first. The equation is 7x to the power 7 x is equal to 7 to the power 7 to the power 7 to the power 7. Okay, and how did we get this equation? From the original equation. Okay, now let us consider this left hand side of the equation, and let us suppose this is y, and y is equal to 7x to the power 7x, which is an exponential equation which is of the form y is equal to some x to the power x, this type of equation. Now the solution of this type of equation on xy axis is a graph which starts from point this and goes like this to infinity. Okay, and on the right hand side you have a constant number which is very big. So on the, if we take this as another equation, um, y is equal to some constant k, and k is this quantity, k is this very big quantity. Okay, so how will we plot this equation? So suppose y is equal to k is here. Actually it is very far away from this point, because 7 to the power to this power 7 to the power 7 is a very big number. So you have to go um, too far from this point 1, and suppose it is here on the graph. So y is equal to k is here, and from here you have this equation parallel to the x-axis, because all the equations of the form y is equal to k are parallel to x-axis. So we are getting only a single solution here on the intersection point of these two equations, y is equal to k and y is equal to equation of the form x to the power x. So if we solve these two equations, we get a single solution from the graph. So that's why x is equal to 7 to the power 6 is the only solution. Thanks for watching the video. If you have a better approach of solving this question, let me know in the comment box. And if you have any doubt, let me know.